once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Royal KLUDGE RK71 hot swappable mechanical keyboard. As for the content of the box, we have the keyboard itself, a USB to USB-C cable, 2 magnetic risers, a keycap remover that doubles as a key switch puller, 4 extra RK red switches, and a user manual which you would be needing. Even though the keyboard is made out of plastic, it does not look or feel inferior. It has no flex or creaks. And if you are an RGB fan, you will appreciate the RGB lightning strips on the side of the keyboard. The keyboard comes with 21 RGB lighting effects, 9 backlit colors, and 10 edge lighting effects. With or without the magnetic risers, the keyboard is structurally elevated, making the risers optional. The RK71 features a single USB Type-C port for wire connection and charging. Underneath the keyboard, you will find the magnetic compartment for your USB dongle, an on and off switch, and a switch that toggles between Bluetooth and your 2.4 GHz dongle connection. The keyboard are pre-lubed with ABS double shot keycaps that have sweat-proof coating for those long gaming and typing sessions. They actually look nice and clean, especially in the 3-tone color version that we got. Other features of this keyboard that I like are the 71 keys layout that come with dedicated arrow keys, and the fact that all these keys are programmable. The dedicated software helps you program the keys and totally customize the RGB feature to your liking. As for connectivity, the keyboard can be used wired through Bluetooth or the 2.4 GHz dongle. In the wired or 2.4 GHz mode, this keyboard is compatible with PC and macOS, while in Bluetooth mode, it's compatible with PC, macOS, iOS, and Android. It's also worth noting that all 71 keys come with anti-ghosting feature that allows you to press multiple keys at a time to execute intricate moves with precision, with no delays or error. The hot swap PCB allows you to replace 3 pins or 5 pins switches freely without soldering issues. The battery life for this keyboard is okay, thanks to the power saving mode that puts it to sleep or turns it off when not being used. The backlight goes to sleep if not used in 5 minutes, both in wired and wireless connection mode. Overall, the design and 3-way color of the keyboard is super nice. There's no flex, the weight of the keyboard feels sturdy, the RGB lighting effects and backlit colors and edge lighting makes it feel premium. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Thanks for watching.